Good evening, friends. This is an evening video regarding a very important topic because I know a lot of you will get into trouble not because today the market went lower, but because you tend to become, one sided in your view. Now, you had a market which was ranging in this 10 680 to about 10 860 type of zone, and we broke down and we had a fairly strong downside. Now I know what you are thinking and the advice you can see around in social media, etc., that people want to sell into this move and benefit out of the market moving down. Now, come to think of it, if you are in an uptrend, whether you buy at 10,550 or you buy at 10,350, I'm not talking about futures, I'm talking about next month's options. In case the market resume its uptrend and goes back to 11,200 to 11,300, you will still make money. The problem is why people can't ride large swings is because they are trying to play the correction also. So if you are not trying to play the correction, in fact, you are building long positions into a correction, you will always be on the right side. So what I want to tell you people is that the big move will happen in the direction of the trend. Today, FIIs are seller, DIIs are seller, all your Robinhood guys, they got cleaned up because their stops got hit. So basically the market has gotten very light. You have the bank nifty which is down for 3 to 5 days. Is this time to sell bank nifty, or between the 20 and the 50 DMA it is the time to buy into bank nifty? So all I want to put across is that when you get corrections, it is not often worthwhile to try to play correction. Try to build positions in the direction of the main trend, and as and when the market recovers, you are already in. The problem with most people is they try to play corrections and they are short while the market turns, and then they are putting those trailing stop loss and this and that. Why not just sit tight buying a next month's option? They are very, very, very cheap. So say buy an 10 800 call and sell a 11 200 call. So you have a spread. So if it takes a while to come back, you are not losing money and you are positioned on the upside. So that's a little bit of advice from me in terms of not playing corrections but using corrections to get back into the trend. So as far as I am concerned, I have built long positions from here. I don't care if the market goes to 10,400, 350, because I know as and when it turns, I'll be back in the money. Okay, my net debit spread is about 150 points. So the point being that when you get these hard sell-offs, if everybody is out, then the risk is substantially lower. Similarly, something like RIL, etc., you think it will go down a whole lot? Now we are hearing Google is going to invest $4 billion. Is Google stupid to invest at these prices? So if Google can invest, so can you. So, short point, don't try to be over smart in trying to ride both sides. The big money, the big position should be in the direction of the market and not opposite it. That should be it. I hope this little video gives you a perspective on how to deal with a market which is coming down sharply and how to prepare for the next round of rally. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.